TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. So everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 105, NASDAQ up 29, S&P's up 8.5, gold contract down $4, trading at $12.26 an ounce. We have silver down 16 cents, $14.26 an ounce. Light sweet crude off 78 cents, $50.67 a barrel. Notes and bonds, you get the 10-year note up 6 ticks, 119.15, 30-year bond up 17, 140.01. King dollar up 496 ticks, trading at 97.195. The euro is trading 113.10 to 1 US dollar. The yen is out here at 113.60 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We get a classic, folks. Bottom line, you got a nice counter trend bounce happening. We've had it this whole week. Actually started, 5 days? Yeah. Last Friday, we were testing the lows of October. That low out there on the 23rd, we had probably about 80 million shares traded. That was the day before Thanksgiving, going into 160. What do? We go top side. Monday, excuse me, folks. Monday, you had volume of 79 million. Tuesday, it contracted to 75. Wednesday, 127. You had a nice expansion of volume. That being said, you're still going against 274 million as well as 214. Contraction of volume yesterday. We're going to have a contraction of volume today. Higher price. Bottom line, I suspect what we're going to see here is that we're going to be up somewhere to 277 to 281. That's the way this baby's shaking out. That's inside the S&P. So we take a look at the NDX 100, the 3 Qs, same type of setup in the Qs. Bottom line, you're at 168 right now. I expect this can get up to the price point of 171 into 175, somewhere about those numbers. Small caps, we take a look at the small caps. What you're going to see with the small caps, same type of setup. Now, the small caps are still the weakest indice out here. Small caps right now are trading 152, the IWM, 152.27. 156 is game. The last swing high out here was 157. The 156 is game. And what I expect we're going to see here is this. So, this is the last day of November. You get the G20 meeting going on over the weekend. Whatever happens at the G20, I suspect the market still wants to go higher. I don't expect any trade deal with China. Bottom line, market just wants higher price. This is window dressing. You get a nice counter trend bounce going on. It's contracting in volume. We'll see where this lays out. Market-wise, what we have from December till the December 25th, we have 3 solid weeks of trading before holiday trading is going to kick in. That's plenty of time to basically, if you're a bull, I'm sure you're going to think that's going to go higher. You're a bear, it's going to go back down after this high volume low that has not been tested yet. The high volume low that we're talking about inside this S&P, folks, SPX. Okay, so we're a couple $100 above it right now. We're 2750. The number that I'm looking for to get tested is this high volume low from February, which is 2532. So you're talking about bottom line 218 points lower. Gold contract. What do we have with the gold contract? Gold contract trading down $3.90, 12.26. And what's pretty wild there is that we are now on all the future contracts in the year 2019. We're not that far away from 2020, right? Remember that song? Bottom line, gold contract, what the gold contract did out here today is this. Gold gets down to 1221, rejects that price, has lighter volume, gold still wants higher price. The divergence out here, of course, gets right down into the aspect of where the dollar is. The dollar Caught a bid out here today. You're up 500 ticks today. You don't have the volume behind the move, but you certainly have a higher price. We're at 97,190. That's saying that the dollar can get into this 97,530 number. That was the high that was generated out here on the 18th of November. Now, notes and bonds, bottom line, they still want higher prices. Pretty amazing watching this whole thing shake out. TYH. I got to get used to putting the 9 after it instead of the 8. So what do we have out here? You get the 10-year up 7 ticks. You've already taken out the swing point this week of 118.31. This baby is saying we're going up into this 121 area. That is the highs of August. And what we have, which is going to be really cool watching this shake out, coming into the close, look at this, man. This is intense. So you just had, let me pull this closer here. If you remember, on Tuesday, this started happening on Tuesday. Someone is coming in here hand over fist. Just I started the program, 102,000 contracts just hit, and now what's going on is that we're at 18,000, and you're 3 minutes into it. This thing's going to blow higher in a huge way, man. It's pretty incredible, actually. They got the same footprint, meaning with the same footprint it goes like this, folks. It's really intriguing in trading in general. That USH9. So when you kind of do this for long periods of time, USH9, the footprint comes down to the aspect of how funds get in and out of equities. In this particular case, it looks to me like it's the same footprint because if you remember, when this started on Tuesday, it started as soon as I got on the air. Just prior to that. That's when they start buying in. They start buying in a big way. That's what's going on right now. Bottom line, they get the 30-year up 26 right now. 30 years at 140 and 142 is game inside the 30-year. So you're talking about lots of movement out here. And if we go back to the yield, don't be surprised that by the time I get off, we're going to be under 3. Right now, we're at 3.001. You got to love it. Stay right there, folks. We're going to come back when I'm Mr. Basil Chapman. We are going to be growling and prowling with him. We're going to be talking about, he's going to be doing a workshop for you this coming Tuesday night. Dow Industrials up 120, NASDAQ up 35, S&P's up 10. Coming right back. Hi folks, Tom O'Brien here. If you'd like to get my daily newsletter, Market Insights, then now is a great time to sign up for a 30-day free trial. Every morning by 9:30, I send out my morning letter to subscribers with market commentary on a variety of markets, currencies, and commodities to keep investors up to date on the day's trading action. Included in Market Insights are specific buy and sell recommendations for stocks, ETFs, and even options, with stops and price targets included for every trade in my newsletter. If you'd like to try my newsletter risk-free for 30 days, then head over to the front page of TFNN and you'll find Market Insights under Trading Newsletters. I use my years of trading experience to bisect and dissect the market every morning and give my subscribers the most important information they need to know for the day ahead. I even issue afternoon updates for my subscribers whenever warranted with important market action. I'm always scouring the market for the next great trading opportunity. Sign up for your 30-day free trial to my daily newsletter, Market Insights, today by visiting the front page of TFNN.com. Wow! Go get 'em, folks.
No matter what kind of trader you are, 2018 is a great time to try out a subscription to Tom O'Brien's Gold Report. Whether you just plan on diversifying your portfolio with some exposure to gold and gold mining equities, or you're a gold bull that sees 2018 as the year of commodities, now is a great time to sign up for the Gold Report. Tom O'Brien publishes his Gold Report every Monday morning before the market opens.